So is renting really dead money? And is buying really the smarter option? We've always grown up thinking to ourselves, we need to buy our property to live in because that's what our parents did when we were growing up. And if you're like me, you've heard everyone say renting is just paying off someone else's mortgage. But is it actually true? When you buy a home, it's very expensive. You've got stamp duty, legal fees, building and pest inspections, and a lot of other little bits and pieces that you don't necessarily think about when you're saving up for your deposit. But does that mean renting is actually better? Well, not always. The pros of buying your own property, you get to build up equity faster and build your wealth long-term in a place that you get to live in and you're not subject to a landlord. However, there are huge upfront costs, which is something you need to consider. The pros of renting is that you have lower upfront costs and more flexibility. However, you're not building any equity in the property that you're living in, and if the landlord decides to sell, well, I guess you've got to move out. But what a lot of people forget is that generally renting is cheaper than having a mortgage. And if you're investing the difference, you can grow your wealth that way as well. Whether that's in shares or you go down the road of buying an investment property and rent vesting, as long as you are doing something productive with your money in between, you're going to put yourself in a better position. You just need to assess what is right for your particular situation. But really, it's not one size fits all. If you're ready to buy, then that's great. But if you're not, you should be renting and investing in a smart way and not just putting all of your money towards Uber Eats.